Welcome to Tampo, the smart, intuitive task management app designed to help teams collaborate seamlessly and stay productive. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a project and manage it efficiently. To get started, head over to the Projects panel and tap Add Project. Next, give your project a name. For example, we'll call this one Product Development. Now, personalize your project. Choose from over 30 unique icons. Pick a color that fits your theme. And finally, tap Create Project. Let's add some tasks. Now, go to the Dashboard panel. This gives you a complete overview of your project's activity, including last activity, task flow summary, status-wise task, task assignment, and a priority spectrum. At the top next to the dashboard, you'll find the Filter Tasks option. Here, you can customize your view, show all tasks, only completed or only incomplete tasks, filter by due date, priority, or sort order. Once done, tap Apply. Tap the project name to access project settings. From here, you can switch the layout between list, table, or calendar. Tap Edit Project to update settings you selected at the time of creation. You can change the icon or color, add a description. Once you're done, tap Update. Now navigate to the Statuses section. You can easily delete any status you no longer need. Edit existing statuses, like changing the color of Backlog to gray, or tap Add Status to create a new one. For example, name it To Do, assign it a color, and tap Add Status. Back in the project settings, tap View Members to view all your members. Now again, head over to the project settings. Tap Invite Members. Tampo offers 3 ways to invite. Copy link and share it directly. Share via apps like WhatsApp or Gmail, or enter emails to send direct invites. Now, tap Send Invite. Now move to Project Actions. You can delete all completed tasks, mark all tasks as completed, remove all members, or delete all tasks. In the Members' Rights section, you can control whether team members can add tasks or not. Now in the project settings at the very bottom, you have quick actions. Copy invite link, add the project to favorites, leave project, or delete project. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed a project in Tampo. Download Tampo today. Stay productive. Stay in sync. Tampo. Manage. Assign. Collaborate.